Hello everyone, I am very happy to introduce for you our new kit, what you can use it actually at home. So let's show you all the steps what you can do with this kit. What it's actually in kit included. So first I will show you lamp. Look how cute it is. What it's amazing, guess what? It's working from power bank. What it's perfect option for you for traveling, for doing nails at home or low shading. Then we have range base, what we use normally for. Then we have a red gel polish from QD Nails, very high pigment 15 mils. Then we have a rubber base with color of pink undertone as well, perfect for French or full cover nails, and it's have little bit nice shimmer if you like shiny. Last gel we have, it's our gel 10 milliliters rubber base. This gel it's clear color and we're gonna use this gel for apply our tips. If you're gonna use natural nails, then you apply for your natural nails without tips. Here we have a top coat. Of course, without top coat we cannot do any job. It's very nice texture and make nice shine. So on the pouch you can use it for any jewelry or maybe some items for your nails. Then we have our prep and primer. Prep is first and primer second. Then we have a special gel. With the sponge we're gonna use it for a French or ombre. And in here a full packet, let's show you in details what we've got here. So of course we have a tips, its name's almond shape. Then we have a brush, what we're gonna use for a French or maybe some art. Cuticle oil, what I love it, very nice smell and it's very nice brush for application. Then we have sanitized tissue, what we use it for remove oil from the nails. Brush if you have a dust, and of course we will have a small dust. Then we have one of the treatment for your natural nails. 2 files, what you use for natural nails or your tips. So let's start it. Get ready my power bank. I am check if it's working. So I'm put it on and I check if its light is on. I am plug in with our adapter machine. So you have to check that before you start to do nails. Because after when you apply your tips, you don't gonna have a time for it. So you have to check it if it's on, you have to check all lights it's working and make in the comfortable position for you. Next step, we're gonna use our tips. So let's show you how to measure. So tips have to be completely cover your natural nails, but too big. So you have to choose tips what it's cover completely your natural nails. If it's little bit big or smaller, use file, but normally they are standard and they work for any fingers. After when my sizes it's ready and I'm prepare all 10 fingers, in the video I'm gonna show you only 5, but you understand what I mean and my steps you will understand on the end. So I'm as well file it before I'm apply. If we have a little bit small, and not smooth end from our tips, we are make it smoother. So I'm prepare them before I'm apply and before I'm prepare my nails. Then I use my buffer and I buff my natural nails. It have to be matte. I remove dust with my brush, and more close it is, more exciting it is for me. So then we take a wooden pusher and we push gently cuticles back. Believe me, if you are pushed too hard, you might be with wooden brush damaged and it might be even bleeding. So please be gentle with your own nails. After when you finish buffing your own nails, then we are prepare our tips. Our tips you have to make a matte inside. Even if our tips it's already matte, you can see, but more you scratch it inside your tips, more it will be stronger on your nails. My natural shape of my nails, it is actually not that square like tips. So what I do, sometimes a few tips I make more round like my natural shape of my nails. Big finger, it's don't need it. I prepare my prep and primer, number 1 and number 2. It is actually say step 1, step 2. First step I am apply full nail cover. It is dry on the air, so you don't have to worry about lump and curing. Next step we are using number 2 step, it's primer. It's work like double sticky tape. It's help us to stick our tips to our natural nails. If you have natural nails and you don't want tips, you are exactly make application the same. It just you are not apply tips, you are apply clear base coat without tips. So now we start action. So I am prepared and I make closer to me my gel. We have a rubber base and I am apply our natural nail. Don't put big amount. If you put too big amount, it will leak to your cuticles. If you put too little amount, it will be not enough to stick the tips. So it might be tricky when you do it first time, but normally 1-2 nail and you're already get used to it. So first we are put it on our lamp, and only after we are apply our tips. You can see I'm start from the end, from cuticles, and after I'm slowly push to the end. And I cure it. Make sure your tips as well it's straight. If you don't see it, don't stress. make sure before you cure it in the lamp it's straight, so double check before you go to the in. We are curing everything about maybe 30 seconds just to stick on, and like that movement we're gonna do all our nails. So remember, we're not gonna put too much gel, we have to have middle amount, not too much, not too little. Then we apply start from the cuticles to the end, and when you are happy, when you see it's no bubbles in, if you see it's not a lot of product near cuticles, then you are go to the lamp. I am switch on lamp before I am put my tips on, because after it's not comfortable to if you put your tips, after you have to put your lamp on, better you apply your tips only after your lamp on. Look at that! I'm so happy with the result. It's look like I come from the salon. So next step, we have to decide what you want color to apply. If you want to do ombre, follow next video.